Hi, John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Sahaboob. Sahaboob has been trading with us from the 26th of March 2021 up until my date of review, 26th of November 2021. Sahaboob has traded 372 times. Successful 259 out of 372, which represents 70%, and lost 113 out of 372, which represents 30%. So going through the trades taken, we can see from March up until November, which is 8 months, he's traded with us and been very consistent. He's only had a deficit in March, April, and October, but all other months he's finished with a positive gain. And as I said, he's on level 3, which is 60,000 US dollars. So having a look at the trades taken in November, we have a breakdown on volume of what he's traded, mainly the pound US dollar. And if you look at the other month of July, it's the same thing, the pound US dollar in May as well. The pound US dollar forms a very strong part of this trader's strategy and favorite pair to trade. So if we go on the summary now, let's get a breakdown of all the trades taken. And as we can see on the breakdown, we've had quite a significant amount of pips. But I like to focus on where the trader is strong. Where has the trader brought in the most pips? And if I look at this now, I'll tell you, focus on what's made you the most pips, which is the pound US dollar, which you've taken, followed by the pound yen. And if you scroll up and here, now you see the Euro New Zealand dollar was a pair as well. So the Euro New Zealand dollar, the pound yen, pound US dollar. These have been your significant money gainers. So I'll recommend you pay a lot of attention to these pairs that have given you these pips because you can only be more successful by being consistent and laying the focus on these pairs. So if you disregard the pairs where you've been less unfortunate, you will have that strong advantage and that push because there's clearly something you're doing that is working. So I recommend you stick to that because it's all about discipline and consistency. Before you enter a trade, you want to put yourself at an advantage by putting your stop loss levels in place, your lot sizes, and knowing your exit. And more importantly, having that self-belief in what you've analyzed. And when you get the result you want, that boosts and enhances your confidence. So looking at the history of trades taken, we can see you traded quite a few pairs here, but like every trader, and I always reiterate the point, I like it. It's very good when hitting your take profit at 40 pips, 34 pips, and have little minor pips. But I find it very important as well when traders put a stop loss in place, it helps you control the trade. It helps prevent you from getting into uncertain situations. It prevents you from uncertainty. And more importantly, it keeps you in control of the trade. But other than that, it's a very great attempt at what you've done here, and congratulations. But if you take my tips on board and you improve on the areas where you're not really getting the results you need, but this is still a good attempt at $60,000 going on to the next level, which is $120,000, then 240. So build the discipline and consistency here now, and the journey comes much more easier in the later stages. So congratulations and well done.